And here is pruning raspberries part 2. In the first part, we looked at cutting the canes down for the first time after a good couple of freezes. And you can see that these are about 18 inches, 24 inches off the ground. And look at this new growth they've got coming out of them. Happy, happy, happy. So now part 2 is it's really clear which canes are not going to be producing this year because there's no growth. So that one's coming out. You can see there's this one here. And then we've got a monster one here that can get trimmed. I'm not going to be able to do that one-handed or with these shears. But that one has growth on it. This one does not, so that one comes out. And likewise, this one, you just cut them right off at the base. And then the other guy here, no green, those will just come out. So you can see there are several that just don't have any green growth coming out of them at all. And those are the ones that you clip, take out. And then you also notice that there's some pot ash in here, as in clean out from my wood stove. So these guys, as most berries, they love an acidic soil. So I've just scattered the ash on to make sure there's no metal so you don't hurt yourself. Like if you used any scrap wood to burn or what have you, make sure that you go through it with a magnet or something to get the metal pieces out. And now these guys will just continue to grow, and pretty soon there will be blossoms, and it will be raspberry munching time, probably around June or so. And with this variety, it's the ever-bearing variety. After that first early summer crop, and into, depending on the year, maybe going into July-ish, be gathering berries, and then there will be new growth that comes up even taller from the existing canes, and in the fall there will be another harvest. It's a great variety, the ever-bearing variety. So thankful for it. Happy gardening! Love and tend your raspberries and all your other plants. They'll happily provide flowers for pollinators and their gifts of fruit or veggies, whatever their particular offering is. Be well.